welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe to Mero True Life Story. God bless you as you do so. My lovely fans, Juju Ekwensu have sent a shocking message to me, Edochie. And this message of Juju Ekwensu, we don't know if it is out of frustration or it is out of depression or it is because of the video of Yul Edochie that went viral. We don't know the problem of Juju Ekwensu. We don't know the color of her problem. But what we know is that she sent a shocking message to me, Edochie. The audacity. Wonder shall never end. Please, I want you to leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this Juju Ekwensu message. Juju Ekwensu tried to reach out to me, Edochie. She tried calling her through all the phone numbers that are being posted on the social media. She was not able to reach to this woman because those phone numbers that they think they posted on social media are the phone numbers of her business and not me, Edochie, personal phone number. The only personal phone number of me, Edochie, she changed it. She's not using that phone number anymore. So she tried reaching out to this woman. She was not able to get contact with me, Edochie. That is to tell you, say level past level. Say me, Edochie, na be the mama wey born their mama. Now, Juju Ekwensu decided to send a message through me, Edochie DM. My people, message long like letter. Yay! Wonder shall never end. Juju Ekwensu sending a message to me, Edochie, telling me, Edochie, on this message that May Edochie should be very, very careful of Yul Edochie. That this settlement that is going on, it is all arranged. It is all fake. It is all movie that they are acting. Starting from Mama Rita, Josephine Edochie, Pete Edochie, Lynch Edochie, Yul Edochie, all of them are acting movie. Juju Ekwensu said, May Edochie, it is you they want. Pete Edochie and his son, Yul Edochie, they want something from you. They have all planned what is going on. They want you to settle with their son. They want you to come back to the life of their son. Juju Ekwensu said, May Edochie, don't try it. Juju Ekwensu said, May Edochie, don't try it. Don't ever try it to return back to Yul Edochie. The evil plan that they have planned, now only she know that it is all about their own evil interests. He said, May Edochie, on no account should you return to Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie have no good intention towards you. There are lot and lot of things that Yul Edochie said about you to her. She even went as far that she even went as far writing that if May Edochie want to know more, May Edochie should call her. Wonder shall never end for side chicken. That May Edochie should call her. That Yul Edochie said a lot of things about May Edochie. She said if May Edochie did say the lie. He said May Edochie should remember one day when she lost her pregnancy. Make May Edochie remember, say, it was after Yul Edochie gave her something to drink. My people, according to Juju Ekwensu, Juju Ekwensu said that concoction was prepared by Yul Edochie and his father. A concoction that they wanted to use on May Edochie. But unfortunately, they did not know that May Edochie was pregnant. And May Edochie lost that pregnancy. And the doctor told May Edochie that, what did you drink? you drank something very harsh, made with different kind of ingredients. He said, if me Edochie can remember, he said it has been long, they have been doing different concoction for me Edochie head. He said, me Edochie, under your pillow, what did you see? Inside the full moon and the sleep, what is there? What are the things you saw inside your house when you were renovating your house? She said she know all these things because they did it all together. Yay! Wonder shall never end, oh my people. We don't know if all this is out of frustration for the video of yesterday, whether Juju Ekwensu is lying or saying the truth. I know they there, my nourisher. I don't know. But what I see is a desperate side chick. After everything wey Juju Ekwensu dey talk, so many things the way she talk, oh, I dey come, make I tell una all. But I won't enter into the matter small. Even with all these things she's saying, does it even make sense to tell me Edochie? Why you not tell the woman the time when you dey shout simili jofo? Why is it now that they don't use cane to flog you? Now you can't come, don't go back to Yul Edochie. That is my question in it. Because why? All these many things when Juju Ekwensu they talk so, to me, I feel it's useless. Because me Edochie already know a stand. Me Edochie already know everything when it dey happen. So if to say me Edochie buy the time when they do bad, now for our enemy grave you forgot they talk all this one. Does it really make sense? Saying all this at this time? I don't think it makes sense. Because you say you yourself, you know about it. Criminals, you say you know about it. And you are coming out to talk about it now. Now where they don't flog you. According to how she said there are a lot of things. He said Yul Edochie is a wicked man. He said Yul Edochie did a lot of bad things to me Edochie. My lovely fans, this is what we call wonder shall never end. She said Yul Edochie did a lot to me Edochie. She said this thing where they do so, he said they won't use and they trap me Edochie. He said they've seen that what me Edochie showed them when she was in that marriage is small of what she have. He said me Edochie is a secret millionaire. And they know. And they find out late. He said when Yul Edochie left me Edochie, Yul Edochie thought that he has acquired enough from me Edochie. He said Yul Edochie left me Edochie with nothing. Because Yul Edochie believed that he has emptied the account, me Edochie business don't fall down. So when he left, he thought that he has taken everything with him. And he never believed that me Edochie will go to court because they are Roman Catholic. Me Edochie is a real believer. So for them to divorce, they will do separation. They know they divorce. They go do separation. That separation, they fit do that separation. Anyone wey fair come by, the other person will go marry. So Yul Edochie believe that me Edochie is that strong Roman Catholic. Me Edochie can never divorce him. Now wait till Juju Ekwensu talk. He say Yul Edochie they tell her say me Edochie no go court enough to do anything. He said Yul Edochie was so confident when he was treating me Edochie bad. She said Yul Edochie always tell her that me Edochie is under his control. Say he has always been controlling her. Say me Edochie dey under his control. Anything when he tell me Edochie, now me Edochie they do. When this whole thing started getting tough on social media, he say he tell Yul Edochie one day say, these people, this game be like say we don't dey lose. It be like say me Edochie don't dey pass us. Ekwensu said Yul Edochie called his father. And his father told Yul Edochie, say, me Yul Edochie forget. Say they will go put something for me Edochie gate where she dey pass come aside. They will put her under their control. Juju Ekwensu say na him and Yul Edochie, na him go me Edochie house. They go put something for gates. He say na him and Yul Edochie. Say Yul Edochie, can you deny it? Say na 12 they go at Jamasho. They come put something for gate. He say around 4 o'clock in the morning, they were in front of that gates. Before people will wake up. Say they put that thing for there. He say Yul Edochie always have the confidence that May Edochie is under his control. He say until when I conclude say May Edochie is no longer under his control. It was when May Edochie brought that divorce. Juju Ekwensu said Yul Edochie even went as far as going to Ajamashon. They threatened May Edochie say make he withdraw the divorce case. He say no be now where they come dey beg. He say were they begging before? He said they know they beg before now. He said that time Yul Edochie go just ready go Ajamashon. He go dey threaten May Edochie. He said before Yul Edochie they go so he go bath himself. He get wetin they put for mouth. If you reach there, go dey shout for May Edochie. Go dey shout. Say the only person that was challenging him there was Kai, his son. Say go dey shout for him. Say withdraw that case. If I hear anything from that court case, I will deal with you. He said because Yul Edochie said May Edochie is under his control. He said but Yul Edochie was surprised. All those things, no one work for him. Juju Ekwensu say na papa they do the charm for him. Say May Edochie was under their charm. He say wetin dey pain Yul Edochie say he cannot take control of May Edochie again. Say na dey pain her. She said it's not love. It's that control that Yul Edochie cannot control May Edochie. Say na dey pain her. He say nowhere where Yul Edochie never put a leg. He say we are saying he say people they call and say in a juju person. He say Yul Edochie is a pretender. He say Yul Edochie they carry her, they go some native doctor self, she they shock. He say no kind of place that Yul Edochie have not taken May Edochie name to. For May Edochie to return back to that bottle when he put her. She say she laugh when people say he put Yul Edochie inside bottle. He say what about May Edochie? He say May Edochie where they lock for bottle all her marriage. Say May Edochie was under inside bottle Yul Edochie bottle. He said, do you know how many things that happened inside that marriage? But May Edochie was there. He said, now when Yul Edochie can say May Edochie eye clear. According to Juju Ekwensu, she said May Edochie eye clear. Now make her go. He said, now. Say they don't go prepare themselves. He said, waka they don't waka. He said the charm they don't prepare her. Now make May Edochie come back. He said if May Edochie go back, oh, Oti law. Because they thought they've collected everything from May Edochie. They were surprised. Say this woman, be like say he hides some for corner. The way May Edochie is rising. Juju Ekwensu said Yul Edochie knew that May Edochie is very rich. He said somebody close to May Edochie already tell Yul Edochie, say Yul Edochie, hey, you miss. Those years of marriage be like trial. That woman is loaded. All those things when you take from her not shake them. If to say he shake her, that woman for cry come out for social media. If for they give interview, you see say those things, those women not even send you. Because now change you take out of her. She struggled to come back to her feet again, but she was never broke. There are many things you don't even know about May Edochie. Naya and papa go de waka. Now they tell they say money dey there. If your son go back there, life do better. That desperation. Now Yul Edochie till they do everything possible now to get May Edochie back. So Juju Ekwensu is telling our Queen May Edochie that she should not go. That is all plan work. Say Juju, pot of Juju, they wait for May Edochie. If May Edochie do accept Yul Edochie, they will put her inside the pot of Juju. Wonder shall never end, my people. Now, this Juju Ekwe is such shocking message. Is it confession? Or is desperation? To me, some people say it good as they talk, make she they confess. Yes, I will say it's confession. But does it have anything to do with May Edochie? No. Like I said before, that woman fought for her freedom. That woman fought for herself. That woman personally, lonely, prayed day and night with the help of May Nation. Now May Edochie stand her ground. Even the Juju Ekwensu with the past message, she wanted to buy this woman. She wanted to buy this woman. She sent Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie not succeed. They use different way for May Edochie, they not succeed. So why telling May Edochie all these things? Do you think May Edochie don't know who you are? Or do you think May Edochie don't know Yul Edochie and everybody surrounding her? She know all of una. Now before she don't know. She saw you like somebody that came to marry a man. She saw you as somebody that came to marry her husband. It was when she lost her son. Now she knows, say, your mission is more than marrying her husband. But you came for evil. The same you will destroy her marriage. Now you they give advice. All this side chicken, their audacity not be here. They say they've started dragging Juju Ekwensu. Telling Juju Ekwensu, say, what is the essence of this message? So all these things, you know, you know all these things because you said you know you are part of it. So you know all these things. Now you they drag this woman. Now you they drag this woman. You join Yul Edochie the fighter. That means you yourself, you are evil. You are evil. Wonder shall never end. Make una see confession. Hi. So the woman lost pikin. Lost pregnancy. Say they put them for inside bottle. There is nothing with beginning that have no end. That's why Yul Edochie is still shocked. How May Edochie fit they do this divorce? The man not believe. The man not believe. Wonder shall never end. Juju Ekwensu romasi mami water. If what you are saying is truth, both you and all of you, you are all the same birds of the same feather. One no come out. And as so God of May Edochie will continue to expose you. At this point, you say you want to expose Yul Edochie, you are also exposing yourself. Because now all of you and I plan are together. Wonder shall never end. My people, now God never stand for May Edochie. If what Juju Ekwensu is saying is true, because Juju Ekwensu matter get leg. We know say she is desperate right now. She can say anything. But if what she is saying is truth, now be saying now God of May Edochie now conk their head. Make them continue to the confess. My lovely fans, what do you guys think on this matter? Do you think Juju Ekwensu is saying the truth? Do you think that they really did all these things to May Edochie? Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe. God bless you. Inshallah.